first exit and then we continue walking
ไม่ใช่บิ๊กซีนั่นน่ะบิ๊กซีเอ็กซ์ตร้ามันใหญ่Hey guys, where are we?
at the farm
A farm
yeah
in Bangkok.
why not
Đây là họ đồ Bangkok.
this is a sensory backyard
Are you guys ready? If you're ready, come with me and here we go.
Buying
the food for
a sheep and goat.
No.
Goat.
sheep and
Is this a
goat
goat? It's a goat.
goat G O
O A T C O A T.
do you know which one is goat which one is sheep
I know. If it is a goat, it have a fur less than a sheep. Isn't it like that? And this is a dog.
What are you doing? Kim, what are you doing?
feeding the sheep
A sheep?
where your friend why you alone
Come here.
come
He learned human language.
Oh, this is sheep and that is goat.
oh my god oh I'm scared
The smell is so strong.
ใครจะดูอ่ะ
กู
oh my god you can pet him
Oh, this is a baby sheep. Oh,
sheep
no.
again?
Yeah.
have a good day
Here we go.
time to be a farmer oh my god
What is this?
pigeon get out get out get out
It's a guy. We got all
oh my god กระเพรามึงว่าต้นมาเดินมาเดินไล่มาเข้าไปMission complete
But now, where did my friend? Where did my friend go? Why they leave me just to? What is that? Hasan? This is a goose or duck? This is a duck or tilapia fish? It's a ruby fish, right? Yeah. What are you doing?
How bad is What are you laughing for?
Hey, drama.
ทำอะไร Follow me
Pigeon again.
Pigeons everywhere.
Yeah.
This fish food Why the dog eat it?
I have no idea.
Can eat.
ไม่ได้นะคะดักโดนจิกปลานะคะ
จิกปลา
ปลาโดนซักดักนะคะ ปลาโดนซักดักด้วย
Ariel is that you? Ariel
I wanna be where the people are. I wanna see them dancing. Walking around on the road. What you call them? ตีน I better walk, I better run, I better stay all day in the sun. Wondering which I could be out of that yard. If I believe all of you dead. Just a day, I love you. That travel down the side, I don't recommend I go there. Way too done. Is this you think it's too hot for here?
Yeah, I can't stand it anymore.
Because this is Thailand and it's hot every day. So and I think it is a good idea to find some place to enjoy our yummy
One.
food. Okay.
Okay.
Make a lunch.
The boys is mimble too much.
Because he's a boy. There is a boy.
He's not the man. Hi everyone, and now we're here at deathscythe Park, where you can do many activities like bicycle, jogging or something. But right now, let's have a look what we're gonna do for today. Yeah!
No one hot here. No one sweaty. No one. No one are sweating right now. No one. Fashion show.
อย่าบังซีนออกไปจะบังมันอย่าให้โฟโต้บอมมึงอ่ะ
เอาอีหน้าไปแล้ว
Hi everyone, and this is Backer. We're here at deathscythe Park.
And right now, in front of us, is a big snake that's venomous. If you look at that. Be quiet. And if you look at that above you, is this a poison?
Oh my god.
Squirrel?
Is this real?
No. Now we are in the queue to
Ride the water bicycle.
yes, and we need to find the name to ensure that if we die, are we drowning?
Not like that.
They will not take responsibility for that.
You're so innocent.
เป็นระบบ hand control. But I'm not welcome you. Pong, have you ever tried doing board alone before?
No, this is my first time.
Me too.
I'm like scared at the first place, but I'm
Uh-huh.
okay right now. Not anymore.
No. I have been assisted my friend to doing board before. And I not scared about it, but
Yeah.
I don't know how to control it at first. But now I'm professional.
Yeah,
You do?
I think so.
That is my friend. They're coming.
We กำลังปั่นเรือเป็ด We are on the cruise. Beautiful view with a beautiful girl. Oh, you're so sweet. Me or you? You.
A few moments later.
ไปละว้าดูหน้ากูดิAnd that is for today. Yay! We have been to
Sansari backyard.
Sansari backyard. Yay! And this is deathscythe Park. How tired are you?
I'm tired very much for today. We walk a lot too. I will see that. No,
It's about 2 kilometers or maybe more.
no, 10 kilometers more.
Yeah, like tomorrow I might sleep like a dead.
I will sleep like a dog.
Okay.
So by the way guys, today, thank you very much for watching us to this.
Yeah. Yeah.
And
We appreciate for the last video 600 people. I love you one guy very much. So
Yeah.
please don't forget to subscribe
and like for some more.
Yay, bye-bye.